What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today, folks, we are talking about Shiba Inu. Guys, we have some major updates today in terms of what is going on with Shiba Inu. Obviously, on the day, we are looking beautiful, in my opinion. This thing is primed for liftoff. We are already seeing a couple of green days back to back, and I do believe that this will continue. Today, we are going to look at some updates that I think will really propel us into the future. Going to give you guys an update on the Robinhood listing and some big news that just came out regarding that. Take a look at the Twitter page as well as others. So please, if you're new around here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video. Let's get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on all things Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency. Folks, I am a Webull affiliate. The way it works is if you use my affiliate link down in the description below, open up a Webull brokerage account, you get a free stock valued from $3 all the way up to $300. Now, if you make an initial deposit of $100 into that account, you can get a free stock valued from $8 all the way up to $2,000. The way it works is that first stock that you got a 1 out of 100 chance of getting Facebook, Procter and Gamble, Starbucks, or Snap. That second stock that you get after you deposit $100, you can get a 1 out of 50 chance of getting Google, Facebook, Procter and Gamble, Starbucks, Kraft Heinz, or Snap. Go ahead and get your free money using my Webull affiliate link down in the description below. Folks, Shiba Inu is looking nice on the day's chart. Obviously, I like to take a look and zoom out and look at the 7-day. It's not as pretty, but compared to where we were back June 12th, just a couple of days ago, we have seen quite a steady recovery, and I'm really liking the way that this coin is moving. It's not exploding upwards, but I do believe it can. We just have to have a couple of pieces that are going to be in place right now. We got a lot of news regarding Shiba Inu and Shiba Swap in particular over the past couple of days. We saw all the leaks, we saw the YouTube videos coming out. Guys, this is big news because Shiba Swap, I'm not going to beat a dead horse, but you guys know what it means for this token. It's going to be a big deal, and it seems like any moment now it is going to be released. The market looks like it's green, and it's time for Shiba Swap to come to life. If we look at the market in general, Shiba Inu is number 2 here on the most visited cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin sitting at number 1. These two probably going to be flip-flopping here in the next couple of weeks, in my opinion. Shiba Inu at 1, Bitcoin at 2, and vice versa. If you see here, the 24-hour and the 7-day for Bitcoin is looking really nice, actually. We are seeing quite the recovery in Bitcoin. It did reach over 40K today, and that is always a good positive sign. Shiba Inu lagging a little bit behind on the 7-day chart, but recovering nonetheless. So where do we go from here? First and foremost, I do want to mention that on the Twitter page, the SHIB token Twitter is officially verified. So remember that at SHIB token is the only official source of news for SHIB ecosystem. They are officially verified on Twitter, which is a huge deal. Past 600,000 followers on Twitter. Guys, this thing is just absolutely blowing up. Obviously, with the 600,000 followers, we can see, take a look at the Ether scan here. We see that there are 506,000 people holding Shiba Inu token. Guys, this is obviously a very big deal. The more holders we have, the more this thing is going to grow. Hitting that 500,000 mark was a huge deal, and I think we are only going to go up from here. If we look here, the market cap is sitting at 2.4 billion. Obviously, a drop in the bucket compared to where our market cap was at those all-time highs. We're sitting at about 10 times what the market cap is right now. The 24-hour volume, it is a healthy half a billion, but we need to push that up a little bit as well. If we go ahead and just look at the market cap graph here, go ahead and move out. Let's move out to the 3-month here. I do like taking a look at where we were at those all-time highs. Obviously, the market cap, it was exploding. I mean, the 24-hour volume, you see it there. Sorry, I got that mixed up. The market cap was 14 billion, and the 24-hour volume was that 21 billion. That's what was 10 times. Sorry about that mistake. What we see here is the market cap around 2.7 billion, the 24-hour volume not anywhere near where we were whenever we were at those all-time highs. So obviously, to push that market cap, we're going to need to push that 24-hour volume, make it buying pressure, push that market cap, and that's going to in turn push the price. So a lot of good things coming out of Shiba Inu. Next up, we have SHIB Informer. Obviously, this is not an official outlet, but nonetheless, I really like taking a look at this Twitter page because it shows a lot of good information. So it says here, hashtag SHIB Army, we are one of the most popular and watched crypto projects in the world today. Hashtag decentralization is hot. And indeed, it is hot. SHIB token is ranked number 42 right now on CoinMarketCap, and only room to grow from here. So what is the big news regarding the Robinhood listing? I should have probably started with this, but it's okay. Guys, we hit 130,000 names or signatures on the petition, which is obviously big news. where does this take us from here? I told you guys that hitting 150,000 signatures isn't going to automatically be like, okay, now we're listed on Robinhood. What it does is it gives us national and international recognition. We're talking about Newsweek here, saying Shiba Inu price update as petition for Robinhood to list the crypto hits 130,000 names. Obviously, Robinhood is keeping up to date with the petition. I am sure they are. But not only that, whenever something like Newsweek publishes an article regarding this, they can't help but realize that this is going to do big things for their exchange. We have seen so many different people reaching out to Robinhood asking specifically, will Shiba Inu be listed in the future? And Robinhood always responds in a somewhat vague way, saying that we do plan on listing more cryptocurrencies and Shiba Inu is one of those that we are interested in listing, or something to that effect. That's what I've seen in the email exchanges. So obviously, if they do list Shiba Inu, I'm sure it's on their radar. They know what it's going to do for their exchange. I could almost bet that they will be listing Shiba Inu. Of course, only time will tell. When they list that, we saw what it did for Dogecoin, and I think it's going to do the exact same thing for SHIB token. Obviously, it's going to give us a little bit of a small pump, but I think from there it's going to give us so much traction that maybe a Coinbase listing will be on the horizon as well. And not only that, more celebrities I'm sure are going to start piling into this thing, more so than are in it right now, and that's going to lead to an even bigger and bigger community. So obviously that is going to get us not only back to these all-time highs, but in my opinion, we are going to shoot up from there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the candlesticks just very briefly. We saw here we did get this really nice pop, and since then we have been trading a little bit flat, just kind of bouncing up and down. But this thing, in my opinion, it is primed for liftoff, folks. I told you guys before that I don't think it's going to be a crazy ascent up. I think it's going to be a nice slow and steady one, that we get these little pops and then we continue to ascend forward. Obviously, folks, this is by no means financial advice. I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I'm interested in. This video is for informational, educational purposes only, but I do believe that from here we are going to see, as soon as these catalysts come out, take a SHIBASWAP for example. SHIBASWAP comes out, we're going to see a pop and then a nice upward trend. And then Robinhood listing, we're going to see a pop and a nice upward trend. And I think as we continue to do that, I gave you guys my price prediction in a previous video. I do believe that we could potentially upwards of 40x on Shiba Inu. Obviously, I could be wrong, but the potential is most definitely there. I think that's very practical if we hit all our targets, if the roadmap goes the way that the developers are telling us it is going to go. Obviously, SHYTOSHI is working hard to get SHIBASWAP out. Security tests are still being run. The audit is still not complete yet, but I believe that is going to be our next big catalyst. We've seen so many leaks, so many previews, so many sneak peeks, and so many YouTubers actually being reached out to and them making videos on SHIBASWAP. I think this thing is going to come out any day now. Hopefully, my guess is at least by the end of June, but I am hoping even within the next week it'll be out, maybe before the end of June. But only time will tell, folks. That's all I have for you guys today in terms of an update. Obviously not a lot going on right now, but I do believe that keeping up to date with everything that might be going on and just keeping this one on your radar is going to be key, because we can take off at any time. Folks, I want to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Please go ahead and smash that like button so we can get this video out to more people. If you're new around here, or if you're finding your way back and you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the family. Last but not least, if you watched all the way to the end, the best way you can help out this channel is using that Webull affiliate link down in the description below. Get yourself some free stocks when you deposit $100 into Webull. I really hope you get that $2,000 stock. It's your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out of here, folks. Peace.